Hi, welcome to Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we will see how to make green chili pickle. We require half kg of green chilies, 300 ml of til oil, 50 grams of salt, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, raw mustard powder 2 teaspoon, tamarind pulp thick 100 grams, raw black sesame seeds powder 50 grams, roasted cumin powder 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon asafoetida, roasted fenugreek powder 1 teaspoon, vinegar 3 teaspoons. Cut the stem a bit and slit the green chilies in the center. So once we have slit open all the green chilies and cut the stem short, we will add 50 grams of salt and one heapful of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. It should be heapful, and we'll mix it and keep it aside. And now we'll keep a kadai on a medium flame and let it become hot, and then add 300 ml of til oil or sesame oil or mustard oil, whichever is feasible or whichever you want to use. South we use only til oil for pickles, so we are using 300 ml of til oil. And now once the oil is hot enough, we will add the green chilies which have been mixed with the salt and turmeric into it, and we'll saute it for 2 to 3 minutes till the skin blisters on the green chilies and becomes white or opaque. And then after that we'll add one by one all the other ingredients and make the pickle. So this is the process. And for half kg, this is a measurement: 1 heapful teaspoon of turmeric powder and 50 grams of salt, which is table salt or powdered salt. Mix it well and add it to the kadai, which is hot. So we are mixing the green chilies, salt and turmeric powder into the hot oil and sauteing it for 2 to 3 minutes. So the green chilies are being cooked and the oil will come up. So after that we need to add 100 grams of tamarind, which has been made into pulp, a thick pulp, into the same, and then saute till the raw smell of the tamarind goes and the oil comes up. Now the tamarind should be soaked in warm water or boiled in hot water and then blitzed to make a thick pulp. Add less water and make a thick pulp and remove the seeds and the strings. Only the pulp should be there. And if you add more water, what happens is it takes a long time for the water to evaporate and the pickle to cook. Now we are adding 50 grams of black sesame seeds powder, which is raw. So raw black sesame seeds have been blitzed and powdered, and so 50 grams of same has been added. And after some time, once the raw smell goes, evaporates, we'll add mustard powder. Again, this is raw mustard powder which has been blitzed and powder, and this is 2 teaspoons. So then we'll add cumin seeds powder, which will be dry roasted in a kadai first and then blitzed and powder. So this is roasted cumin seed powder, again 2 teaspoons. And then we'll add fenugreek powder, fenugreek seeds powder, which is again roasted in a dry pan or kadai and then blitzed and powdered. So that's 1 teaspoon. And then we'll add asafoetida, which is half teaspoon. So all the spices have been added and they are mixed well, and till the raw smell goes, it's been sauteed. And once the whole pickle emulsifies and the oil comes up, the pickle is ready. So we are going to add last but not the least 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Vinegar will do 2 things. One, it will balance the heat of the chilies, and second thing is it will also act as a preservative. So we are adding 3 teaspoons of vinegar. And then once vinegar also gets cooked into the pickle and the whole pickle is totally cooked and the oil comes out, it's ready for transferring into a pickle jar. So we usually use a glass bottle or a glass jar or a pickle jar for transferring or keeping pickles. So we need to sterilize the glass jar or bottle in hot water and then dry it out in hot sun. There should be not a single drop of water. It should be totally dry. Now transfer the pickle into hot pickle into the same, and we have to be careful that the glass jar is always on a wooden surface. Otherwise, the heat of the pickle will not be able to. The pressure in the bottle will become so much that it will break. So we should always have a wooden surface so that the heat transfers onto the surface and therefore the bottle retains itself. So that's one thing. And the pickles being very sensitive, we need to be very careful how we handle them. We shouldn't use any wet spoon, or we should see to it that no drops of water or anything liquid apart from the oil in the pickle enters it, because otherwise fungus will form and it will be inedible. So the pickle is ready. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Please share your comments. Thank you.